everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Guys, this is my other channel, my cooking channel. Guys, welcome. I will be speaking Swahili and English on this channel. You're very welcome. Come and subscribe. So today I'm showing you how to make semolina fufu ugali. So I will start by boiling water first. After boiling water, now I will go ahead and add my semolina flour slowly, guys, slowly and gently. Make sure you're not adding lot of flour, guys. Okay, after getting a consistency paste like porridge, I will keep stirring until I get a smooth paste. Okay. Ooh. After finish, now it's time to move it into a bowl, and I will be using a small plastic bowl to help me get a perfect shape. Okay, and my fufu is ready, guys. Is very ready. Hey, voila, guys. Here is my fufu. I hope you will make yours too, your semolina fufu too, guys. And now, so I will eat my fufu with mushrooms and meats, turkey meats. Okay, so yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share if you want to. See you in the next video. Bye.